Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating an NGL identity and getting the link, open the app or NGL. Link and sign in with Apple, Google, or a username. Once signed in, generate the shareable URL and copy it to your clipboard so you can paste it elsewhere. Make sure to set your visibility preferences now. They control who can reply and whether messages are anonymous. These first actions give you the working link and basic settings you need to collect anonymous responses immediately. You share the NGL link in places people already follow you: Instagram bio, TikTok, Twitter, or in a story with a swipe up or sticker. Once shared, configure moderation filters and a block list to reduce spam. Toggle link previews and response settings so replies show how you want them. Monitor the inbox actively and export or screenshot any replies you need to save. By combining sharing with moderation, you keep responses useful and protect your account from nasty or irrelevant messages. You handle each incoming note by choosing to reply privately, repost an anonymized quote to your story, or delete it. Decide quickly whether to credit context. Curate what you share to maintain tone and protect privacy, and hide or remove anything abusive. If replies stop arriving, troubleshoot. Refresh or regenerate the link, confirm app permissions and network access, or reinstall the app. One key tip: if you see a sudden surge of spam, regenerate the link immediately and reshare the new one to regain control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.